Today I will be creating an instructional video on how to make pumpkin chocolate chip. Materials you'll need is a large mixing bowl, a half cup measuring cup, 1 cup measuring cup, an 1/8 teaspoon, a 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon. Before you mix any ingredients together, you need to preheat the oven to 350. Your first ingredient is 2 cups flour leveled off with a butter knife. This ingredient is 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Is 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. This ingredient is 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. Your next ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Your next ingredient is 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Your next ingredient is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Your next ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of these ingredients together before moving on. Your next ingredient is 1/2 cup of sugar. Your next ingredient is 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Your next ingredient is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Now mix all of these ingredients together. Your next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Your next ingredient is 1 egg. Your next ingredient is 2 cups pumpkin puree. And level it off with a butter knife. Step is mixing all of these ingredients together. Now using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, mix the dry and wet ingredients together. Your next ingredient is 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. You can use regular chocolate chips or you can use mini. They need to be semi-sweet. The way you're gonna mix in the chocolate chips is you're gonna fold them into the dough. You're gonna go ahead and grab your baking sheet and you're gonna spray non-stick cooking spray onto it. Do not use oil. Your cookies will go ahead and they'll sink and they will brown a lot more than what they should. You're gonna get a tablespoon and they need to be 2 tablespoons of dough. You're just gonna get a amount on your spoon and you're just gonna use your finger and get it off onto your pan. And you can scoop them together. You can move it back together. You're gonna place them in the oven and bake them from 11 to 13 minutes. Once they're out of the oven, go ahead and move them off of the pan onto a plate to cool. And now once they've rested long enough to cool, you can go ahead and enjoy your pumpkin chocolate chip cookies.